Ever struggled to find a gift for a guy that's useful, that doesn't cost a fortune? Well, today we're going to put some things together in a creative way that won't break the bank. So come along with me. All right, so the first thing I have here is this container. I have already made my base. All right, so I've stuffed my base with some paper. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the shoes back here. All right, like that. And then, hold on, because we're not done. I'm going to put this loofah scratcher here. Let me make sure you can see. And I need to get things out of the way at the same time. Yes, very good. So let's see here. I'm going to put these shoes here like that. We have some body wash. We're going to put the body wash over here. It is pouring down outside. I don't know if you can hear that. It is 10 up. Okay, it is 10 up. All right, so this is going here. This is the cologne. And I've already taped the bottle to the box, excuse me. Right now I'm looking, where am I going to place everything at, okay? Because we're doing it together. We're doing it together. I like to do it together. I have 2 pairs of socks. This is some Skippy socks. I know quite a few gentlemen that like the novelty socks. My brother is one of those. And I want to see the red and the blue. So, I'm turning it that way. Ooh, that's thunder. Ooh, I don't know if you can hear that. Okay, and then we have a massager. We want to put it this direction. And it does work. Try me, Homedics. Put it this way in case they do want to press it. You can see that for themselves. And then we have a shaving kit. Inside the shaving kit, there is a brush, scissors, comb, and the shaving cream brush. All right. It's tearing up outside. I'm going to try to get that sound out if it's there. Hopefully you won't hear it. Put this back in here. Okay. And then I'll lay this like this right now. And we're going to put the Dorito socks. We have a pair of those as well. I'm going to put those over here like this in the front. And then we have, let's see here. We have this, the shaving cream. We're going to put this over here in the corner. And then we also have a charcoal mask. We're going to put that right here. And I'm looking. I want to give them the soap and the dove. Alright. So all I have to do is glue dot it. And I have already gone ahead. These shoes are a size 13. I put the size on the back. Alright. So that's ready to go. I am going to glue dot a couple of things just to make sure things don't move around. Right there, right there. And there. Need to turn you like that. So right. Trying to get that glue dot off my finger. They're sticky. Yes, they are. All right. So now let's put in a little bit of shred in these spots. Okay. You only need a little teeny bit. Really, just a little teeny bit. It's just a couple little spots. All right. That's probably going to be the most going over here. We're going to do the same thing over here. All right. Now this is for Christmas in July. This is for Christmas in July. So what we could do is add a little Christmas ornament. We could put an ornament right there. Okay. I cannot see that red. I just realized that. Let me fix that. I want all the colors to show. Okay. So actually, I'm going to put this down in here. Just like that. And he's done. I cannot wait to hear what you think. Did I do a good job? Did I bring it together? Did I miss something? I know I could do a little bit more to the basket, but I don't want to do too much more to it. I most likely will do something else to it, knowing me. Okay? So please like, comment, and subscribe. Watch my other videos. Until next time.